I often hear he's only abusive when he's drinking, or he's only emotionally abusive when he's sober, but when he drinks, that's when the physical abuse starts. And this leads victims to believe that alcohol is the cause of the abuse. So now you're very focused on getting them to stop drinking so that the abuse stops. And this is where something interesting starts to happen. We start to say, it's me and my partner against the problem, which is the alcoholism. Alcoholism is a disease, there's no question about that. But a narcissist will weaponize that against you. And the narcissist will prey on that guilt that you feel for leaving them when they just have a disease, when they're suffering. So let me ask you, what if I said this? All alcoholics are abusers. You absolutely know that that's not true. Alcohol contributes to the abuse insofar as it becomes an excuse. They might say something like, I know I hit you, but I was drunk. I don't remember. I was blackout drunk. I'm only abusive when I'm drunk. Lucky for you, and unlucky for abusers, lots of studies have been done on this exact subject. And guess what they all find? Alcoholism does not cause abuse. Because if it did, then all alcoholics would be abusers. But they're not. Alcohol and drugs are excuses that narcissists and abusers use to continue the abuse. They use it to play the victim. They use it to minimize. They use it so that you will stay. This feeds into the whole, it's us against the world, it's us against the problem. Let's even take a step back. Let's say the narcissist or abuser acknowledges, I have a problem, I know I'm abusive when I'm drinking. Are they going to stop drinking? Are they going to get into therapy? Are they going to go to a meeting? Are they taking ownership? Are they attempting to solve this problem on their own? Alcoholism does not cause abuse. And while we're on the subject, drugs don't cause abuse. Even narcissism does not cause abuse. Abuse is a choice. I'm going to say that twice. Abuse is a choice. Some abusers will even drink when they're feeling particularly angry so that they can be abusive and then make an excuse for being abusive. There is nothing confusing about that. Let's even go back to something I brought up earlier. The idea that when they're sober, they're not abusive at all, and when they're drunk, they're abusive. Are you sure they're not abusive when they're sober? Or do you just mean that they're less abusive?